OKX Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The OKX Wallet app has become one of the fastest growing crypto wallets in the world, backed by one of the largest global exchanges. But is it truly as versatile as it claims, or does it come with hidden drawbacks? Let's explore the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, OKX Wallet's biggest advantage is its multi-chain capability. It supports over 80 blockchains, giving users the freedom to manage thousands of tokens in one unified app. Whether you're trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, or exploring with projects, OKX Wallet brings everything under one roof. Another major strength is its DeFi integration. The app allows users to stake, swap, and farm directly without switching platforms. You can even connect to decentralized apps using its built-in B browser, making it ideal for users who want to interact with NFTs or DeFi protocols. OKX Wallet also provides strong security options. You can choose between a non-custodial wallet, where you control your private keys, or a custodial setup linked to your OKX exchange account. That flexibility makes it appealing to both beginners and advanced users. Now, the cons. The first issue is privacy concerns. Since OKX is a centralized exchange, using its wallet in custodial mode means your transactions may be monitored or restricted, depending on regulations. Another downside is that the app can feel overwhelming. With so many features from trading to DeFi and NFTs, it might take time for new users to navigate everything efficiently. In summary, the OKX Wallet app is powerful, secure, and loaded with features that bridge centralized and decentralized finance. The surprising truth: it's not just a wallet, it's a full financial ecosystem in your pocket. If you value pure decentralization, you might prefer a wallet that's completely off the grid.